Good morning, everyone. Myself, Harshita Shukla.
And myself, Vedant Rao.
Today, we are going to have a short and meaningful interview with an outstanding student, Sanskriti Sandeep Patil, who has secured the first rank with 95% in the SSC board examination from a Sanskar English medium school, Anjar.
Sanskrit is not only a brilliant student but also a sincere individual. Her journey is truly inspiring for all of us. Behind his great achievement lies her dedication, consistency, and strong willpower.
In today's interview, we will get to know more about her study habits, challenges she faced, her source of motivation, and her future goals. I am sure her experience will motivate many other students to dream big and work hard. So, without further delay, let's begin a conversation with our proud topper, Sanskriti Patil. First of all, how did you feel when you saw your board percentage and found out you had topped the school?
First of all, I felt extremely happy and a bit emotional. I couldn't believe that I had topped the school. It was a proud moment for me and my family. All the hard work I had done had finally paid off.
Wow, that must have felt so surreal. Your efforts really paid off. And what was your family reaction when they saw your results?
My family was very happy and proud. They all congratulated me with smiles and even a few tears of joy. Their support throughout the year meant a lot for me, and seeing them so happy made the moment even more special.
It's nice to hear how proud and happy your family was. Their encouragement obviously meant a lot to you. Could you share a little about your study routine during the board year? How did you manage your time across all subjects?
During the board year, I followed a fixed daily timetable. I gave equal time to all subjects and focused more on the one I found difficult. Time management and consistency helped me a lot.
Your discipline and time management are really admirable. The level of the consistency is definitely one of that people can learn from. Was being the school topper had you been aiming for from the beginning or did it came as a surprise?
I was aiming to do my best, but becoming the school topper was a pleasant surprise. I focused more on consistent performance than the final rank, and the result truly made me happy.
Expected or not, making it to the top is a great feat. Your path either way is inspiring. Apart from studies, what activities or habits kept you energized or motivated?
Apart from studies, my habits like dancing and listening to music kept me energized. Spending time with family and reading inspirational books also helped me stay focused and motivated.
I love how you keep it balanced. Getting refreshed is as crucial as studying. Everyone faces difficulty in maths and science. So how did you cope up with your weaker subjects?
Yes, I also found some difficulties in maths and science, but I cleared my doubts regularly with the help of my teachers and practiced and revised it daily. Solving previous year question papers helped me to gain confidence.
Your approach to dealing with obstacles demonstrates determination and intelligent planning. That's a good tip for others. Every student has some sort of distractions like social media or outings. So, did you cut off everything in this journey? If not, how did you balance it?
I didn't really cut off everything, but I limited my time on social media. I used it only during short breaks. Setting boundaries helped me to stay focused and not feeling more restricted.
Your manner of dealing with distraction demonstrates genuine maturity and self-discipline. That's why so many fail to achieve. If you define this journey in one word, what would it be and why?
If I had to define this journey in one word, it would be transformative because it not only improved my academic skills but also taught me discipline, patience, and self belief.
What an inspiring word. It certainly does justice to the essence of your experience. Who was your inspiration in this journey?
My biggest inspiration was my parents. Their constant support, encouragement, and belief in me gave me the strength to keep going even during tough times.
Having great inspiration source make all the differences. One can clearly say that they have played a significant role in our development. Do you ever feel self-doubt or any pressure? If yes, how did you deal with it?
Yes, there were moments of self doubt and pressure, but I stay calm by taking deep breaths and talking to my parents and reminding myself of my efforts. It helped me a lot.
You're very brave for talking about your pressure. Your strategy for coping with it is one all students can learn from. What role did a school play in the contribution to your success?
Our school played a very important role in my success. Their teachers were very motivating and explained the concepts clearly.
It's great you have recognized the support system around you. Definitely, a great environment molds our development. What advice you would like to give to the batch of the 2025 and 2026 preparing for the SSC board examination next year?
My advice would be to stay consistent and follow a proper study schedule and focus more on understanding than just memorizing or just learning the concepts. Avoid stress, believe in yourself, and don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. Hard work always pays off.
Your words of wisdom are real and down to earth. I'm sure the next crop will be inspired by your words. How do you define success and what value do you believe is most important in life?
I define success as achieving goals by honest efforts and learning from every experience. I believe the most important value in life is sincerity because when you are sincere in your actions, success will follow you naturally.
What a considerate response you have demonstrated. That's not all about grade, but your efforts and character. Lastly, what stream will you choose and what are your future plans?
I have decided to choose the science stream. I am interested in pursuing a career in medical field and I am aiming to become a doctor. I know it's a challenging path but I am ready to do the hard work required for it.
Best wishes for the future ahead. With your thinking and vision, you are definitely going to do wonderful things. Thank you so much, Sanskruti. It was truly a pleasure to talk with you today. Your answers were honest, thoughtful, and deeply inspiring. We really appreciate you taking the time to share your journey, your experiences, and the valuable tips that will surely help many other students.
Your dedication, time management, and positive attitude are something we can learn from. We are proud to you have as a part of our school. We wish you all the very best wishes for your future endeavors. Once again, thank you and congratulations on your wonderful success.
We are really thankful to Mr. Sherin Sarao ma'am and Mr. Sandesh Patil sir for giving us this special opportunity.
Thank you for taking time and arranging this interview. A great learning experience. We have truly appreciate your consistent encouragement. We feel lucky to have us caring and inspiring mentors.
Thank you for always going the extra mile to nurture our potential. Thank you.